Okay, section 5.3, the metric system, capacity and weight. Okay, convert between metric units of capacity, convert between metric units of weight. Let's start looking at some of our, once again, our tables. Okay, table 1, we've got 1 milliliter, we've got liters, hectoliters, and kiloliters. And then we've also got milliliters, liters, hectoliters, but then we've also got some other like area, okay, or volume, sorry, volume, not area. Okay, here. So we've got to remember though, look at some of these right here. We've got milliliter, liter. Okay, we can kind of picture these. 1 liter. Eventually you can convert between liters and gallons, okay, if you want to. But a liter's it's smaller than a gallon, okay, but still just remember that if you kind of need a reference. Okay, so let's kind of look here and see at some of the ways that common, like your visual intuition, we could say. So looking at this first one, a jug of orange juice might hold, well, looking back up here real fast, could it be a milliliter? Well, yeah, it could, but that wouldn't be a lot. Okay, liter, that sounds promising. Hectoliter, well, that's 100 liters. That's a lot of liters. Okay, and a kiloliter, well, that's 1,000 liters. Probably not that. So that's probably with this one, in my opinion, would probably hold, let me get my pen out here, use 2 liters. Okay, now flushing a dog's eyes with saline solution requires, well, that was probably going to be a little bit small. It wouldn't be liters. I wouldn't want to like shove that down as like have a whole like drowning. So let's think of probably milliliters. Okay, so that might be something we could think of. Now remember, once again, the rules still apply that whatever we want to keep, okay, is going to end up being what? Our numerator, and whatever we want to get rid of is going to be our denominator. So let's do a conversion real fast. Okay, convert 1.4 liters to milliliters. So this is the guy we're keeping, so that's going to be our numerator. Okay, so we're going to do 1.4 liters times, well, since I know I want milliliters, I'm going to do the ML on top, and I'm going to put the L on the bottom here. Okay, well, how many milliliters in 1 liter? Well, let's go back and look and see that there's 1,000 ml. That's not there. Let's see. Here we are. Look, 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. So let's come back, and we got 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. Our liters cancel out. We can multiply this out, knowing that I'm just going to move the decimal place 3 places. So that's going to equal 1. And then we're going to get 4 and 2 zeros. So that's going to be 1,400 milliliters. Okay. Once again, that's why we like the metric system. Let's take a look at this one right here. Convert 2.5 milliliters using the metric conversion line. Notice again, I'm not going to be printing this off, but if you ever want to use it, have at it. Notice we're at 2.5. Well, where are we going? We're going to go backwards. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3 over, and there's our new line right there. So that's what's amazing about this little line, and that's what's amazing about the metric system, is it's literally that easy to convert. Let's do some more now. Okay, we've got units of weight, mass in the metric system. We got milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram, metric ton. And let's be honest, there's a lot of people nowadays have, thank goodness, comes some of the new legislation out there, people have gotten very good at their grams and kilograms and stuff. So we've also got this right here. We've got equivalent measures of mass. 100 milligrams equals 1 gram. 1,000 grams, 1 kilogram, and then so on and so forth. Okay, so we can go ahead and come in here and start doing some conversions here as well. Okay, a piece of paper might weigh what? Well, let's think about that for a second. What could a piece of paper weigh? What sounds normal? I would honestly go with probably grams. Okay, think of paper clips. Okay, a container of cheese, okay, I don't know if they're considering a container of cheese, might weigh 0.5. Well, let's look back up here. What do you think? Well, if I said grams, how about decagrams? No. Hectogram, maybe. Hectogram, I don't know, but kilogram might sound like a pretty good thing, so let's kind of stick with that. Let's go with kilogram. Okay. And this right here, this is just extra that was just there. Okay. And then once again, we can use this little conversion thing here. We're already getting kind of used to that. Using a metrics conversion line, let's convert, okay, something right here. Look, we've got a milligram, okay, and if we wanted to convert it to grams, it's going to be 3 units to the right. Okay, here it is, right here. Sorry, I skipped one deal. Convert 34 gram milligrams using unit fraction, but we're just going to use this unit line here. So we're converting 34 grams, okay, to milligrams. So notice here we had the 34 grams, here it is, and then we moved this way and we got to the milligrams right here. Once again, wonderful system. If you want to print these out, you can. You cannot use them on an assessment, but you can print them out, use them for your homework. It makes things a lot easier, especially when you're getting into the metric system.